Welcome back. We can publish the campaign to our website. And we can do that by going to the top bar and clicking on the Publish tab. That's going to bring us to this area. And one of the things we can do is we can click Embed Campaign. That will give us our campaign with an embed code. And we can set up our widget settings for wherever it is that we're going to have the widget. And you can see here that we can make it so that the share widget is going to be shown on the same page as the opt-in widget, or we can have it so it's going to be redirected. We can set our referral traffic. Now this is important because you're going to tell upviral where your opt-in widget is going to be embedded. And you'll then be given the code widget in order to place inside of your website. So again, inside of your website, you can use a standard opt-in. We can use a pop-up. We can use a pop-over. Or we can use an HTML form. Now we are going to be embedding this on our website. So in most cases, you may want to use a standard opt-in widget and then to have the widget to be centered. We're going to use the share widget, and in most cases, we're going to make it so that the share widget is going to be shown on the very same page as the opt-in widget. That is going to be the simplest, and as you can see, most upviral users take that option. In terms of the referral traffic, we're going to then specify where we want the opt-in widget to be embedded. Once we write in, the campaign will be auto-saved. We'll then go to the installation area. What we're going to do here is we're going to copy the code, and we're going to head to our website and paste that code, and we're then going to come back and click Test Embedding. So we're going to now paste our code. We're now going to click Apply, and we're now going to click Publish. We're now going to come back to our page, and we're going to click Test Embedding. And when you test your campaign, it should then be visible on your page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.